All right, we slow cooked our chicken, and I've just flipped it over so that as these sauces begin to boil, and anything that was kind of stuck or burnt on the bottom, the sauce is brought off. So I'm just letting the bottom side, the top side cook as well as the bottom already had. The rice has absorbed almost all of the liquid, so we're going to go and take our cilantro, scallion, and coconut mixture and dump that right in over the rice. I'm going to give this a quick stir. And then go ahead and we'll place this right in the back third of our plate. All right, our cucumbers have now come to a boil. So it's up to you how much you want to reduce this. If you'd like a really thick sauce, or if you'd like a little bit more, I'm going to go somewhere here in the medium range. Pull out some cucumbers. Put them here in the back, that dill sauce, pour just a little bit over the top. For our chicken, our cucumbers, our green peppers are still a little bit crunchy, and that's how I like to cook them. Nice roasted top piece here on our chicken. We're going to lean that up against our rice and our cukes. Give this a last final little stir. Scoop out some veggies to pour over the top. Then using our spoon, we're going to hold those veggies back and pour that sauce over the top. So here we go. We have Thai barbecued chicken with our baked coconut, cilantro ginger rice, and our braised cucumbers.